Yeah, there's a couple of, like I've been hit here a few times. I got these bigger gloves like this, but I want to make sure I have more dexterity up there.
Yeah.
These are heavier, so I'd rather be able to get around easier.
Feel what you're working with.
Yeah, especially if you're on the ground, because that's way up there to, holler the commands down to you.
Yeah.
Let me take a flashlight up with me too. So you're not a big fan of bees, huh?
Oh, I hate them.
Yeah.
I just quit smoking cigarettes, so I moved on to this thing.
Yeah, how are those mechanical things?
They actually work pretty good.
Do they?
Yeah, I quit on my birthday, which was the 10th.
Yeah. Been smoking for a lot of years?
22.
Oh, geez. Now, when I give you these commands, I'll have to holler them down, huh?
Yeah. How far up is it?
It's all the way to the top.
Oh, okay.
It's you see where the round on?
Yeah.
If you're gonna have to bring me to the left of that, and it's virtually almost at the top. It's in that between the highest branch and the lower branch, right in between. There's an opening.
Okay.
And that's where it is. And hopefully I can get within maybe 18 inches or something where we can stop me there, and
Okay.
that'll give me a good platform to be able to deliver the blow and get out of there. Okay, harness for me.
Yeah. Basically, just pick it up like this, and then these are your shoulders.
That's a lot heavier than the one from yesterday.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Right.
Not in this hole right here. Yes, perfect.
Okay. Yeah, that's heavy.
Yeah, that's actually for climbing.
Yeah, they had one here yesterday. Did they leave anything over here? They had a lighter one. This is really heavy on me. There's a little blue bag or something.
Like, take everything with them.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. That kind of stuff.
All right.
Yeah, there's stuff in here.
Okay.
Basically, yeah, that's your,
Here?
no. There's these little clips. Where is that clip? Oh, right here.
Okay. Does it go longer?
Yeah, it's kind of a pain in the ass.
Yeah, because this
It just snaps in.
I just can't get it around my leg.
Oh. Let me lengthen it for you.
All right.
Yeah, these are.
Now, when you have the controls down here, would I be able to utilize them up there? Like, if I get within a couple of feet, would I be able to slide it over myself, or is that?
Yeah. If I give you like, I'd have to turn it to the position on the bottom part of the lift,
Okay.
and then you would have to do a little bit up there.
Oh,
Like
okay.
some of the controls.
Well, hopefully it's.
I can teach you some of them.
Okay, because I seen the guy yesterday, and it's once you got me up there and get me close, it's just all about me getting within a foot of where I need to be without touching anything up there.
Okay, that's a little bit longer there. Yeah, these are kind of a pain to do.
It's just really heavy. Where's that clip at, you said?
Right here.
Wow.
Long enough?
Barely. It made it.
Sorry about this.
Yeah, no worries. We can just catch those bees kind of sleeping this morning, we'll be in good shape.
Yeah, this one should be long enough.
Okay, and where's the clip?
Where'd it go? Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, and then your that and that.
Together?
Yeah. Your belt. And then your chest. Click.
Okay, we
Yeah, push those.
let it back out so we make sure we don't get that mesh cut in there. Okay, you want to just go underneath that?
Yep. Yeah, I'm going to show you a couple of things.
Okay. Because that's the most important thing is when I get close is being able to, you know, get close enough to deliver the chemical and then not touch not touch nothing.
Yeah. Okay, when you want to operate things, you got to push on this foot pedal.
Okay.
See, this one operates this arm right here,
Okay.
and you can go down with it also.
Okay. You know, for me, once you got me in position up there, if I do anything at all, I'm probably, once you position me, it's probably just about going forward.
Okay. Basically, this is to, let me raise up a little bit. This is for the arm. This one, it
Okay.
makes it go in and out.
Okay. Okay.
This one swings this side to side.
Okay.
This one operates
Tilts the
just
basket?
The basket, yeah.
Okay.
It turns the basket back and forth.
Okay.
So
So you'll turn me facing up. They repositioned it from yesterday. It was over there, which is great. So today, like I said, it's about getting me up to the proper level and then just getting me straight in.
okay. Okay.
But I got to press on that red thing to do anything, right?
The foot pedal, yes.
Okay. And which side are you going to have me facing? This side right here?
I'm probably just going to have you,
Face forward with this.
yeah. I'm
Okay.
gonna turn the basket like this.
Okay.
After you're up a little ways.
Okay.
and-
Do you want me to tie in with this clip?
Yeah, definitely with, yeah, one of those.
Yeah. I gotta go that way. Yeah. I need another foot. Good. Till we meet again, Mr. Bees. Man, you couldn't have done any better. I mean, the way you picked the leaves, I mean, there was no other option. You put me right, I mean, I could have been in another foot closer, but it would have started busting branches, and so you just put me right. And
it's hard to see from down here.
Oh, I know. And I mean, I hit him hard. So,
okay.
You know, we'll just, worker bees will come back around for a day or two, but
yeah,
I'll probably swing by this afternoon with
that guy.
Yeah, but he's dying. You see the powder on him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he's
like a big one too.
Yeah, he's coming down. There'll be thousands of them just rolling around dying down here. Yeah, see, he's done. He's just on his. He's on his way out. There he goes. He's down. He's down here now. Yeah. Very good. Well, I'm glad you didn't have to go through the stress of going up there then.
Yeah, I am too.
That worked out real good. Here, I'll go back to the truck. I'll give you my business card.
Okay.
That way you'll have it. And I'll call Luis, and you know, you never know. It's not perfect science. If I have to come out and reshoot it again, I shouldn't. I got a great hit on it, and because it's all open in there, I did see bees coming out of an exit hole on the opposite side, but the powder was going straight through the tube and coming out the other side.
I actually saw it.
You saw that? Yeah.
You did it a couple of times too.
Yeah. And then there was a lower box that I hit just to be sure, even though I really didn't see any coming out of that one. You're probably dreading this morning, huh? What am I doing? What am I doing over here? Well, I put it all on the GoPro camera.
Oh, cool.
So that'll do good for information on my website. Go turn that thing off.
Does it get hot in that suit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the buckles for this one? There we go.
Same with the bottom. With those ones, it's basically right on the sides. You'll see them.
So there you have it, folks at home. AT&T cell phone tower, Beehive conquered. See you next time.